we talk about that, when we talk about light in astronomy, actually, we are not only talking about visible light, we are talking about the wide range of electromagnetic spectrum going from radio waves all the way through gamma rays. So, correspondingly, actually, we can have radio waves, radio telescopes, all the way through gamma ray telescopes. So, here we're going to look at different types of telescopes. So, the first type is called radio telescopes. It is very similar to optical refracting telescopes, but instead of using mirrors, here actually sometimes we use a kind of metal to be acting similar to mirrors. Okay, so here the light coming here and will be reflected, and then you can form image over here. But because the radio waves has very long wavelength, so the radio telescope can be made very large. Okay, so this is some of the largest radio telescopes. Okay, but on the other hand, because longer wavelength means poor angular resolution. Okay, so the image of the radio waves actually is not that clear. But the advantage of radio waves is that the radio wave can be observed 24 hours a day, and then the clouds, rain, the snow is not going to interfere the observations. Okay, in the observations, they are actually at a very low frequency, so we can get totally different information, such as we're using radio telescopes to try to collect information to find out whether indeed there's an alien in the space or not. Sometimes we also combine information from several widely spread radio telescopes to improve, okay, the resolution of the radio telescopes. Okay, and there are some other different types of telescopes as well. And this is the image taken by infrared telescope. And you can see the difference between the visible radiation and infrared radiation. Okay, infrared telescopes can be put into space or on balloons. And these show you some of the ultraviolet images. And also we could have X-ray and gamma ray telescopes. Okay, so this is a picture of supernova from Cassiopeia A. And this is some of the images for gamma ray telescopes. Okay, so there are a lot of things we can learn actually from different types of telescopes based on different electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, as you can see the picture here, if you are taking pictures of the same object but using different types of electromagnetic radiation, so you can see abundant information from these images.